Welcome to today's episode on switchgear innovation. We're exploring how ODES is transforming energy storage motor control with their integrated platform. Our expert joins us to discuss why moving beyond discrete relays and timers is critical for modern high-voltage systems.
Traditional systems rely on scattered relays, timers, each adding wiring, complexity, and failure points. When logic needs updating or the power system evolves, adjusting these components feels like dismantling a house. They lack comprehensive protection, often only covering overloads while ignoring stall, timeout, or supply loss. Mixed AC-DC power supplies create compatibility issues, and without parameterized thresholds, maintenance becomes guesswork rather than data-driven.
So ODES developed an integrated platform to address these issues. What makes this architecture fundamentally different?
It's a unified solution combining control, protection, and visibility in one controller. Instead of multiple discrete devices, we've consolidated start-stop commands, fault detection, and alarm outputs into a single unit. This eliminates cross-terminal jumpering and creates standardized protection logic that can be parameterized rather than hardwired, turning field craftsmanship into repeatable engineering.
Parameterization is a key feature. How does this transform protection setup?
All critical thresholds, start duration, current limits, 24-hour operation counts, overcurrent over-temperature settings, are configurable via a local interface. Operators set these parameters directly at the panel and confirm values visually, preventing false trips from factory defaults that don't match field conditions. This turns subjective experience into objective data-driven control.
Power supply compatibility has long plagued retrofits. How does the platform solve this?
We designed it for true multi-voltage flexibility. The controller supports direct DC control and AC-supplied motors via rectified DC inputs. This eliminates voltage mismatch issues during upgrades and enables drop-in replacement without rewiring cabinets, critical for minimizing downtime in legacy stations.
Let's examine real-world applications. How does this simplify dense wiring in existing substations?
Replacing discrete components with our integrated controller typically cuts I/O points by 60%. All signals, start, stop, close, and 3 fault classes connect to single terminal block. In one retrofit, we reduced a tangled relay panel with 27 wires to just 11 connections, dramatically simplifying troubleshooting and future modifications.
What about outdoor or heavy-duty environments?
The platform excels here with configurable thresholds for start duration, current limits, and operation frequency that prevent overheating and repeated stalls. Built-in monitoring for overcurrent, overtemperature, and cycle counts provides early warnings, allowing preventive maintenance before failures occur, essential for remote or harsh environment installations.
Beyond simplification, what 宽产防偶 engineering value does this deliver?
4 key benefits: reduced wiring and fault surfaces, shortened commissioning time. Parameterization turns experience into transferable protection logic. Multi-voltage compatibility enables plug-and-play retrofits, streamlines SCADA integration. We're not just replacing components, we're creating systems that are replicable, diagnosable, and maintainable across all project sites.
So this represents a fundamental shift from reactive to proactive control.
Exactly. Traditional systems merely run until they fail. Our integrated platform provides the visibility and control to prevent failures, standardize operations, and transform maintenance from crisis response to planned optimization. It replaces uncertainty with engineering certainty.
For utilities struggling with relay complexity, what's your call to action?
Request our energy storage parameterization guide for configuration templates. Talk to our engineers about applying unified protection logic to upgrades and transform it works into it works better, longer, and everywhere.
Thank you for explaining how ODS is redefining energy storage motor control. Learn more at www.ods-electric.com.